Hello dear traders, we're glad to welcome you on instaforex TV channel. You are watching economic news with me, Tahmina Salomova. The macroeconomic data from the US revealed a slowdown in all indicators that triggered a downtrend of the US dollar. However, comments from Jerome Powell cheered up investors. The Federal Reserve leader spoke at the conference held by the Housing Assistance Council for Rural Housing. The policymaker noted healthy conditions of the U.S. labor market, citing steady growth of wages and the lowest unemployment rate in the recent 49 years. From Powell's viewpoint, the U.S. economy remains on a sound footing. Traders view these remarks as a signal that the U.S. Central Bank will follow its agenda for monetary tightening. Earlier, Fed officials indicated that decisions on interest rate will be made judging by economic conditions in the domestic economy. The US dollar index was struggling to regain losses in the Wall Street trade. However, all efforts were in vain and the index closed at the level slightly below 96.90. Market participants are voicing fears about escalation of the trade conflict between the US and China. At present, the trade talks have been stalled as Beijing complained about the arrest of the Huawei chief financial officer. Man Wanzhou was detained in Canada for allegedly violating the U.S. sanctions against Iran. In the context of political jitters, investors are flocking to several assets. In the Asian trade, the dollar-yen pair sank below 112.40. After the upward correction of the US dollar, the pair also changed its trajectory, having gained almost 40 pips. The dollar-yen pair is now trading at the level of below 1.1300. Meanwhile, risk assets are still losing ground in the Asia-Pacific trade. The Australian versus American dollar pair is trading lower at near 0.7220. Today, investors focus on the US non-farm payrolls, unemployment and wage data for November. The data will determine a further dynamic of the US dollar versus its rival currencies. Moreover, it could set the tone for the next trading week. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. We wish you profitable deals. See you later.